Hi everyone, welcome to Right Living Health Foundation YouTube channel. This is coming from the desk of Dr. T of Right Living Health Foundation. I want to appreciate those of you who have subscribed to our YouTube channel, and do keep in touch. This channel is committed to the cause of providing total health for total man, and that through natural remedies. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting videos coming up to you on daily basis. And, make sure you stay through to watch this life-changing video to the very end. In today's video, we shall consider a very important topic. Top 6 wrong eating patterns that promote illness. Most people that desire good health sometimes fail to realize their desired health goal just because of utilizing the wrong patterns of eating. This actually happens as a result of ignorance on their parts. Here, on this video, you would find out the top 6 wrong patterns of eating that promote illness and take a decisive step to make a healthy change. These top 6 wrong eating patterns that promote illness include the following. 1. Skipping breakfast. By not eating a healthy breakfast, you cheat yourself all day. Several detrimental consequences affect your work performance and ability to focus. This is in addition to consequences that affect your health. Work-related effects. Tiredness or likelihood of experiencing fatigue early in the day. Inability to focus. Decreased alertness. Less memory capacity. Higher chance of irritability or restlessness. Health-related effects. Greater chance of weight gain due to unhealthy snacking. Higher risk of developing diabetes. Increased possibility of high cholesterol. Higher potential for high blood pressure. 2. Drinking cold water or drinks after a meal equals cancer. Cold water or drinks will solidify the oily stuff that you have just eaten. It will slow down the digestion. Once this sludge reacts with the acid, it will break down and be absorbed by the intestine faster than the solid food. It will line the intestine. Very soon, this will turn into fats and leads to cancer. It is best to drink hot soup or warm water after a meal. 3. Eating fruits after your meal. You have heard people complaining, every time I eat watermelon, I burp, when I eat durian, my stomach bloats up, when I eat a banana, I feel like running to the toilet, etc. Actually, all these will not arise if you eat the fruit on an empty stomach. The fruit mixes with the putrefying of other food and produces gas, and hence you will bloat. Graying hair, balding, nervous outburst and dark circles under the eyes will not happen if you take fruits on an empty stomach. The best time to eat fruits is first thing in the morning after a glass of water. Eating fruits right after a meal is not a great idea, as it may not be digested properly. The nutrients may not be absorbed properly either. You need to leave a gap of at least 30 minutes between a meal and a fruit snack. Ideally, one should eat fruits an hour before the meal or 2 hours after, if there is any health condition. 4. Taking alcohol, drinking too much, on a single occasion or over time. Alcohol disrupts folic acid, a B vitamin with anti-cancer properties, which puts women who drink every day at a higher risk for breast cancer, compared with women who avoid alcohol altogether. Daily alcohol intake can also be damaging to the liver. However, wine, especially red wine, contains antioxidant polyphenols which have beneficial effects against atherosclerosis, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. 5. Too much of salt consumption. Health effects associated with excessive sodium consumption include stroke and cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, left ventricular hypertrophy, cardiac enlargement, edema. Stomach cancer is associated with high levels of sodium, kidney disease. 6. Drug overjam. An overjam of drug happens when too much of a drug or poison is taken, leading to a toxic effect on the body. Often the body can heal itself or heal with help. However, sometimes death can occur instantly or may follow permanent organ damage. General symptoms of a drug overdose or use of harmful drugs may include nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, diarrhea, dizziness, loss of balance, seizures, fitting, drowsiness, confusion, breathing difficulties, not breathing, internal bleeding, hallucination, visual disturbances, snoring deeply, turning blue, coma. For instance, A. The use of aspirin and ibuprofen is the 15th leading cause of death in the United States. More people die from these products than die from AIDS. B. 10,000 people die each year from an overdose of aspirin. Aspirin can remain in the system up to 7 years. C. Antacids contain aluminum, which blocks the system necessary to detoxify our body. The result is increased allergies and weight gain. Continual use of antacids destroy the body's ability to digest food. Take decisive steps today to make a healthy change on your eating pattern and see your health soaring higher and better. Begin today. Don't forget to subscribe below for a new video every single day, hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.